Most people think building a profitable home business requires a factory, but that's no longer true. You won't need a factory, employees, or complex setups, just one of these machines and a little space at home. These 14 automatic machines can run on a desk or in a small room, turning simple materials into premium, sellable products with minimal effort. Let's start with the first machine and see how automation works for you.
This content is for educational and informational purposes only. We do not guarantee any specific income, profit, or results.
Machine number 1. Home Freeze Drying System. Most people think long shelf life food requires a factory. Today, one automated machine can handle it from home. A home freeze dryer converts fresh food into lightweight, shelf-stable products using extreme cold and vacuum pressure. Unlike traditional drying, it preserves flavor, texture, and nutrients, which is why these products sell at premium prices. The process is almost hands-free. Food is placed on trays, a preset cycle is selected, and the machine runs independently for over 24 hours. No supervision is needed beyond loading and unloading. Standard household power and basic ventilation are enough. Compact models start around $2,000, but the value is in what they produce. Freeze-dried snacks, emergency food kits, and gourmet ingredients often sell for $8 to $12 per pack with low material costs. This machine shows how automation turns simple food into consistent, high-margin products, without staff, factories, or complex setups. Machine number 2. Desktop Vinyl CNC Cutter, Branding and Labeling. Most online brands don't fail because of the product. They fail because they look unprofessional. A desktop vinyl CNC cutter fixes that. This automated machine cuts precise designs into adhesive or heat transfer vinyl for labels, decals, and packaging. Designs are uploaded digitally, and once the job starts, the cutter works on its own with perfect consistency. The machine fits on a small desk, needs minimal setup, and runs on standard power. Entry-level models cost just a few $100s, yet they unlock real production value. A batch of 100 labels may cost only a few dollars in material and sell for several times that. This machine isn't about creativity alone. It's about repeatability. Precision, speed, and branding turn simple vinyl into paid orders for e-commerce sellers and local businesses. And later in this video, you'll see a machine that pairs perfectly with this one for packaging finished products. Machine number 3. Rotary Laser Engraver, Personalization Business. Personalization is one of the fastest ways to increase product value without increasing production cost. A rotary laser engraver automates that process. It engraves names, logos, or designs onto cylindrical items like bottles, pens, mugs, and tools. Items are mounted on a rotating attachment, and once the settings are chosen, the engraving runs automatically. The workspace is small, labor is minimal, and consistency is built into the process. These machines are affordable, require basic ventilation, and operate quietly in home setups. A low-cost item instantly becomes a premium product once customized. What customers pay for isn't the object, it's identity and meaning. And coming up next is a machine that doesn't customize products. It solves one of the biggest bottlenecks in home-based businesses. Machine number 4. Automatic Carton Folding and Gluing Machine. Packaging is where many home businesses slow down, not because it's hard, but because it steals time. This automatic carton folding and gluing machine removes that bottleneck. Flat cardboard sheets go in, finished cartons come out. Glue application, folding, and shaping all happen automatically with consistent results. Compact desktop models fit easily into small workspaces and run with minimal supervision. Instead of folding boxes by hand, one operator can produce packaging continuously while focusing on orders and marketing. Production costs stay low, but presentation instantly looks professional. A single carton may cost a few cents to produce and sell for several times more, either for your own products or as a service to other sellers. This machine doesn't create a product, it accelerates every product that comes after it. And next, you'll see a machine that turns precision into trust in one of the fastest growing markets today. Machine number 5. Capsule Filling Machine, Supplements and Wellness. The supplements industry runs on one thing: consistency. A capsule filling machine automates the process of filling powdered supplements into capsules with accuracy and speed. Powder is loaded, capsules are aligned, and once the cycle begins, hundreds of capsules are filled evenly with minimal effort. Desktop models are quiet, compact, and designed for controlled environments. Accuracy matters here, and automation removes human error from dosing. That precision builds customer trust and repeat sales. Material costs are low, but finished bottles sell at a premium. Supplements also encourage recurring purchases, making this a scalable business rather than one-time sales. This machine turns raw powder into a branded product that customers rely on. And coming up next is a machine that takes basic tech accessories and transforms them into premium products people willingly overpay for. Machine number 6. Automatic Cable Braiding Machine, Tech and Gamer Niche. Most people think custom cables are handmade, but this machine automates the entire process. An automatic cable braiding machine wraps strong fiber threads around cores to produce durable, premium-looking cables. Once you set the tension, braid pattern, and speed, the machine runs on its own until the spool is finished. No constant supervision is needed. Compact models fit in small home workshops, making them ideal for hobbyists, tech sellers, and small gaming accessory brands. Finished cables often sell for $18 to $30 each, while raw materials cost just a few dollars. Customers pay for durability, customization, and visual appeal, not just the cable itself. The real advantage is how it transforms a simple tech accessory into a high-margin product with minimal effort. One person can produce dozens of cables per day with consistent quality. And coming up next is a machine that takes powdered products and turns them into trusted, repeatable, and professional brands one batch at a time. Machine number 7. Precision Powder Dosing Machine, Gourmet and Cosmetics. Most people assume measuring powders is simple, but accuracy can make or break a product's reputation. A precision powder dosing machine automates this process, delivering exact amounts into containers consistently. It's essential for spice blends, protein powders, cosmetic clays, or gourmet coffee. Once programmed, the machine repeats the dosing cycle automatically with minimal supervision. Desktop models are compact and reliable, letting small food or cosmetic brands produce professional quality batches at home. Specialty blends that cost only a few dollars to make can sell for 3-5x more. Accuracy minimizes waste, controls portions, and builds trust with customers. This machine turns everyday powders into branded products with repeatable results, essential for businesses that want consistent quality without hiring extra staff. And next you'll see. These were the first 7 automatic machines you can run at home. The next 7 machines are even more automated. Some practically run themselves. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss part 2. These machines can take your home business to the next level. And in the pinned comment below, I've linked part 2. Bookmark it now so it's ready when it drops.